I'm just super excited to have a chance to talk to you today about some of the things that we've done to help our clients to improve their software development methods and practices, but beyond that, to provide them with the communities and the tools that they need and that they can use to help them with their continuous improvement efforts so that they can share knowledge and to continue to get better over time. So one example that I'd like to relate to you has to do with some work that we did for a very large global enterprise with about $93 billion in annual revenue, somewhere in the neighborhood of 400,000 employees worldwide, and of those, around 65,000 are software development team members. This company does have a very diverse software development landscape. They do everything from hardware development, web development, they develop cloud applications, they develop mobile applications, and much more. So during our first project with the client, what they wanted to be able to do was to take these recommendations and tips and these really good practices that they were having with some of their pilot teams, and they wanted to be able to share that out with other teams throughout the organization. So where they were seeing success around software quality, around reduced time to value, increased productivity, better ability to meet client expectations, that's what they wanted to be able to share out with others. And so they were working with an internal learning organization, but they did find that they were having some significant barriers in that team's ability to really engage in those technical deep dive conversations as a true partner around development and testing practices. We met with subject matter experts, we pulled out the good practices, and we developed learning materials for those practices that was suitable for a highly technical audience. We did things like providing real-world examples. We delved into the use cases and the user stories from the team members. We provided code examples so that people could actually try out the techniques and see how they worked. We provided safe environments through virtual labs, and we also delivered some soft skills simulations that covered some new skills that were required, things like negotiation and conflict resolution. And we also put together some job aids to help the teams to get started more quickly. Samples and starter checklists help them to get their jobs done more quickly. We were really pleased with the results for this project. Our client was able to produce better quality learning much more quickly than they ever had before. They told us that their velocity had quadrupled in what they were able to deliver, and this meant that they were able to reach more teams more quickly. We also provided that at a lower cost to them, and their course feedback was consistently at a 95% rating of meets or exceeds expectations. Value-wise, I can tell you that the organization also received a $3.4 million grant to make the curriculum part of a state university curriculum. For CGS, it really is all about what kind of a difference can we make for our clients.